Hello guys, welcome to the 32nd session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to manage state and use built-in intents like yes and no. Let us open Visual Studio Code. Here I will create a new skill for that with name fourth demo. In this skill, the user may say my name is this or I want to visit this country. After this, we will confirm the values. For this, we will use built-in intents for yes and no instead of slot confirmation directive. When the user says yes, we will utter you said yes in person name or country as per intent. So we need to open the model file. Create a new intent with the name person name intent. It has one slot with name person name and type will be amazon.person. Here the user may say my name is person name or I am person name. Also create a new intent for a country with name country name intent. It also has one slot. Its name will be country name and type will be amazon.country. Here the user may say I want to visit country name. We also need to add intents for yes and no. So let us add amazon.yesintent and amazon.notintent. Note that for built-in intent we do not need to provide a sample. Amazon already added those samples. Let us modify Lambda function. Update speech text of launch request. Collapse all functions for a better view. Create person name intent handler. Obtain value from person name slot. In Alexa Core SDK, we need to add our state details in session manually. For this, let us obtain session attributes. Add person name in the state. We will use the attribute later to identify the state of our skill. Set those attributes. Generate simple response. We do not need to end the session. Copy this handler and update intent name for country name. Obtain country name slot. The state will be country name. Let us correct this typo and update this speech text too. Now we need to create new handlers for yes and no intent for both states. Let us start with yes intent for person name. Here we need to check for the state, so we need to retrieve session attributes. and check that it is yes intent and state is person name. Drive session attributes. After receiving a request to this handler, we need to change state. I am changing the value of undefined. The reason for this is that if we are not doing this, then when user says yes in all subsequent requests, it will call this handler and generate a simple message with speech you said yes in person name. Let us save those attributes in session. Generate simple message with the text you said yes in person name. And we don't want to add a session. Copy this handler. Change name to no. This will handle for no intent. Update message. Change proper case. Let us copy both of those handlers. Update intent name, state condition and message text. State condition and message text. Here we have managed state. Now we need to register all those 6 handlers that we have created. Save the file and deploy skill. Here I need to change the working directory to fourth demo. Let us test it in simulator. Refresh this page to get our skill. Open fourth demo. Start our fourth demo
Welcome to the fourth demo skill.
and send my name is Emma.
Sorry, I can't understand the command. Please say again.
Here we got an error. Let us open CloudWatch to find the issue. Select Lambda function that you have created. Here our Lambda is not listed, so we need to refresh this list. CloudWatch takes some time to update logs. Here are error details. Get session attributes is not function. It seems perfect. Okay, here I have spell mistake in attributes. Find all occurrences and replace it with correct. Save the file and update Lambda function. Refresh this page. Start our fourth demo.
Welcome to the fourth demo skill.
And send the same message again.
Your name is Emma, right?
Here you can see that session contains person name state. Let us send yes.
You said yes in person name.
Here we got person name message. Let us send this message again.
Your name is Emma, right?
And this time writes no.
You said no in person name.
This time I will use country name intent.
You want to visit Japan, right?
And let us send yes.
You said yes in country name.
We got a proper response. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. To manage state, we need to use session attributes. Add the state where the user is in our skill. Here we have used built-in yes intent. In canHandle method, we can retrieve session attributes and check for state value. And in handle method, we have set it to undefined. For no intent, we have performed the same operation. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.